What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you how to solve the age-old problem of saggy and cracked shift boots. Let's get into it. So there are two core problems that every automotive enthusiast struggles with when they're installing a shift knob. Problem number one is that you have a beautiful knob installed in your car and you have a shift boot that's sagging below the knob, and you get this ugly relationship between your shift knob and your boot. The second core problem is that undesirable wrinkly mess at the top of your shift boot. We call that boot crack, and we have a solution for you guys. So our solution to both of these ugly problems is a shift boot collar plus retainer. This is a simple, elegant solution that covers your boot crack while holding your shift boot in place right to the bottom of your shift knob. It provides a seamless transition between your shift knob and your shift boot, and it just makes an elegant form that translates between the knob and right into your shift boot. Takes care of both of those two core problems. We want to make sure you guys get the right parts for your car, so we make two different types of adapters that specifically work with two different types of boot collars that we have. The first is our threaded adapter, or what we call our TA adapter. This adapter takes our boot collar that has a built-in retainer into it. So this is a collar plus a retainer that allows you guys to attach your shift boot here, and it functions and covers the top of your boot. The other type of adapter that we make is called our non-thread adapter, or NTA. This style of adapter already has a boot retainer in it right here. You attach your boot to this section. So this collar does not have a retainer built into it. It just slips over the top and has the same functionality. So you guys need to make sure that you get the right type of adapter and the right type of boot collar for your application. We want to make sure installation is easy for you guys, so let's walk you through the process of installing a collar with a retainer that goes with our thread adapter. So first step is super simple. Take your collar retainer, slide it onto the shifter arm. In this case, for video purposes, it's going to come from the bottom. Then the next step is you have your shift boot. You attach your shift boot into the retainer section. We supply you guys with a zip tie. You zip tie the boot to the retainer section of that part. And then the next step is thread on your shift knob. When your shift knob's done being threaded on, there's O-rings on this that allow this to slide up on into the shift knob and keep it retained into place. It's as simple as that, guys. Super basic installation. Next, we'll go over to the non-thread adapter type. And now for the collar that works with our NTA or non-thread adapters, installation is just as simple. With your adapter installed on the shifter arm, take your boot, slide it over. Again, use the zip tie, attach the shift boot to the adapter, slide on your collar, thread on your shift knob, and the shift knob collapses onto the collar and pinches itself between that and the boot. That's it. These are super simple to install, but the net effect of what you get with the collar, making an elegant form down your boot, super cool solution for you guys. The finishing touch on our collars is that they're available in 3 satin anodized finishes. We have black, red, and blue. One other little cool touch that we put into this part is that we did a different style on the front and the back. On the front, you have Raceseng engraved, and you can rotate this and install it 180 degrees from this direction, and you have the R on the back side. This gives you guys the ability to adjust the look of your boot collar inside your car. At Raceseng, design is really important to us. That's why we make these collars, complement a variety of our other products. These collars work with any Raceseng shift knob. They also work with our extenders. So here we have a extender min with our black boot collar installed. And the whole reason we do this is because we want the design language to accentuate between the knob, the extender, and the boot collar. Keep in mind though, boot collars do not work with reverse lockouts. They also do not work with our big bore shift knobs. All the links for these products are in the description below. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Give us a like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the drive.